High-speed charging. Loaded with total 68W output power, PD 3.030W plus PD 20W plus QC 3.018W, car charger adapter rapidly refuels your new iPhone at the fastest speed, charging devices from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes, 3x faster than 5W standard charger. Please make sure that you are using a cable of the appropriate gauge to get the maximum amount of charging speed. 3-in-1 USB car charger. USB-C car charger combines 2 USB-C port and 1 USB-A port, charging multiple devices such as phones, tablets and laptops simultaneously at full speed. Only one 3-port car charger meets your various charging needs. Total power 68W. Compact but robust, this USB fast car charger is ultra compact like a thumb. Quality aluminum alloy material builds it super strong to withstand scratches, also for speedy heat dissipation and long life. Our USB car charger is RoHS, CE and FCC certified and has a built-in intelligent chip to provide multiple safety protections for your device against overheating and overcurrent, overcharging, and short-circuiting. LED indicator. This car charger with mini size, lightweight, compact, intimately equipped with special LED indicator. The USB-C 1 port controls the LED color through adaptive voltage. Low current charging turns blue light. Normal charging turns green light. Fast charging turns red breathing light effect. It perfectly blends with most car cigarette lighter, ideal for international travel or business. For all USB-powered devices, Type-C car charger fast charging compatible with iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, SE, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, XS, X8 Plus for Galaxy S21, S20 Plus, Ultra, S20, S10, S9, S8, Note 20, 8 September 10. For Google Pixel 4 XL, 4/3 XL, 3A, 3 XL, 3/2 XL, 2 XL, C. And more other cell phone, tablets, laptops and MP3. Attention! For iPhone requires a lightning cable, but not included in the package. Top reviews from the United States. Simple car charger for the new iPhone. If that's what you want, it's great. I needed to charge my phone with the new USB-C charger in order to save the battery on my phone. Car charger works great.